boys mucked around all day afternoon yesterday and finally found the problem. It was a map sensor, ended up being the issue, which they replaced. We got on the road late yesterday, so all's good, all's well. Well, first in the stage lanes this morning, which was good and bad. Had a bit of issues with the stage light, so we were sitting out there and hung out there for a little while. By the time they backed us back up in the water box, the tyres were sort of half sticky. Couldn't really get up on the tyre, so still put in the lights, going down the track. Went 9-0s. Sort of happy with that, because we're happy to be, to be honest. After yesterday's issues and dramas, we were a bit stressed we were going to be putting it on the trailer. So all in all, it's actually a good outcome. It went from trying to be positive, which we always try and be positive, no point being negative. Really happy when we finally worked out what was actually wrong, fired it up and got it going. And the relief for everyone's good, because we were at the point of going, U-Haul, put it on the trailer. So it worked out good.
Done a 9-second pass today, 9-0. Was pretty happy with the pass until the boys told me that they forgot to take the air filter off the car. So we know there's definitely more in it, but we're just going to get on the road and bank it. I was hoping to do an 8 today to try and bring the average down a little bit, but I'm also not going to chase every tenth of a second, because that's what's going to break things, is just trying to hot lap it and muck around. And obviously yesterday we had dramas with Benny's car, so I don't want to be sitting here all day again with either car broken trying to fix it. So, because we're all kind of sticking together, so if one's out, we're both sort of hanging together. And yeah, we're just one and done. Benny's gone 9-0 as well, so we're still pretty happy with that. He'll maintain an 8-second average, but I'll be sort of up in that low 9. So we'll see where we end up at. But I'd say yeah, we're right on that 9-0 average. But yeah, happy with the day, and looking forward to getting on the road early and hopefully having a bit more of a relaxed, laid-back afternoon. Yeah, yesterday was pretty stressful. I mean, we've had a lot of stressful experiences to get to this point, but being in competition and then having the threat of actually pulling that away from us was sort of something that we hadn't experienced yet. A couple of times it was mentioned that we were going to sort of call it, but we dug in and got there in the end. So I think the saving grace for yesterday was actually that we'd already done that pass at 8 o'clock in the morning. I think it could have been a lot different of a story if we'd turned up and it had failed in the pits before we'd done that pass. So yeah, that was a bit stressful, but super glad and proud of the team that we all sort of got together and got back on the road. So yeah, we're still running 2 cars and we're pretty happy and repping the Barra for Australia.
Still have a bit of a fuel issue, but the car went exactly the same as yesterday. We're pretty happy with a 1050, so yeah, the drive yesterday went well as well, so we're going to pack up and get on the road pretty soon. Obviously the car could go a little bit quicker, but at this stage we just want to finish the week, and we'll be happy to run another 1050 at each day, and yeah, we'll be wrapped with that, just finishing, I guess. Yesterday there was a lot of short directions. You're turning every 10 miles, 6 mile, and I think it's much the same today. So we got lost a couple of times, but yeah, no, we got here in the end, and no, it's been a good week.
Yeah, today's pass a bit better than yesterday. I think I shaved off about a second almost, but yeah, bit lousy on the launch, didn't rev it up high enough, so I'll try and improve that tomorrow. The pedals a bit heavier in this car, so more heavy than the Corolla, so
It's got a pair of vice grips hanging off it.
yeah, it's got a pair of vice grips hanging off it.
It has actually.
Yeah, so if I just push through harder, it should be better.
Yeah, Cordy drove the car today and did the only pass in the car. We decided that before we started because one, it's just so damn hot. Two is we've just been alternating one and then the other, having to drive the car, you know, to keep it fair. But even if I wanted to run, he'd come back and the flex plate was loose, so that pretty much put an end to that. So, right, so we put a call out on the PA that we needed a hoist or a lift, they call it here, a car lift, and had to be specific that it was a garage lift and not a car lift. So we got a hoist organised. Some guys in town are kind enough to let us use it. Another dude has gone 45 minutes home to grab a new ADI flex plate for us and some bolts. So we'll get it up, remove the flex plate, put the new one on. It's just if we try tighten up, and I can tell the bolts are flogged and the teeth are damaged from it coming loose the first time, it's only going to band-aid it. The inevitable, you know, we'll have to pull it out.
Well, today was a total shit show, if we're honest. We actually got some sleep last night. Well, we thought we were going to get there early. It took us, what, 9 hours to 160 miles yesterday of all the fucking around. So anyway, we got that sorted. The hotel we had booked when we got there, it wasn't booked, so then we had to drive around again and find another hotel at 1:30 in the morning. You can imagine how that went. And so anyway, we finally got one. We had a shower. The shower looks like a murder scene after we'd been in it. Like the lady that's cleaning that today, I'm sorry, but it was black. It looked like, yeah. Anyway, so got that sorted. Had a sleep. We had a feed this morning. We done a fuel pump last night, not far off the hotel, that had go enough just to make it run. So we got here this morning. I messaged Loans and he put an announcement over the radio, and some guy come and run up with a pump, so he saved our ass. But while we're doing that, we forgot to take our helper springs out the back. We forgot to change the fuel system. So on our first pass, well, it's blowing coal out everywhere because dumb dick here didn't block the petrol tune off. So Terry, I know you're going to kick my ass. I'll say sorry now. So yeah, we did that, but yeah, it PB'd again. So then we went out, tried to give it some more, and the track's getting a little hot. And yeah, it spun off the hit a couple of times. But yeah, all in all, for how we went, pretty good. I'm trying to get this pile of shit to run a 5, just an 8.5, anything. We've picked up, since the change in the back, what did it run today? 8.659. We've gone, what did we go the other day? 8.688. We've got everything after the 6, like every number that's in the thing, but can't get the 5. So anyway, so that's what we're trying to do. So anyway, we're pretty confident with what we did there before back at Virginia on that good smooth track that it'll go. So yeah, if we can get a 5 by Friday, there'll be a fair few beers fun, let me tell you.